Today we have got some Pokemon cards, Dragon Ball Z cards. Well, the thing is, I haven't got collected Dragon Ball Z and I've just been leaving them out of my house. I'm around like Cornwall. So yeah, we just got these Dragon Balls and Pokemon cards. So yeah, let's open them. Already opened the pack, sorry. Okay, first card. Okay, first card. These are Japanese, by the way. And I've never done them. Okay. I don't know. Can anyone tell down in the comments? I can. This one? Okay. These are one. This one? I'm sure I've seen them before. I can't remember his name. This one? Yeah. Just name any of these comments down in the section and it will be real helpful. Anyways, we're just opening Pokemon cards for now. Wait, I think I can. Oh no, I need you to. Okay, here you go. Just has to open it. Yeah, and I got loads of cards like 2,000 at least. Is that home? By the way, we went on a boat to go to the mainland in the shop. Oh, thank you, sorry. And yeah, that's fine. First, second card. Isn't this like an evolution of the one that we just got? Cool, we got off first. Grown up one. It's like time traveling in the future. Oh, by the way, please got them. So these are both this. Is that the full thing? Oh, we got. I think it is. Sorry, this one first. Okay. Then we got this one, and then this one. Finally. Please comment down if they're good or not, because I can't remember anything. Can you? Sorry, she's just opening the last one. We have. By the way, these are both these ones. By the way. Those two are these ones. Now we got white version of him. Anyway. Oh cool, it's like a cartoon animation. Okay. By the way, still comment them down below. Comment everyone until we get on to English ones. Cool. Alright. Can you not see up close? We can't see up close. We were thinking of going to a park, but we just skipped it for this video. Alright, that's it with the Pokemon. So we need, we got some booster packs. Can you open that one first, please? Okay, first this one. We got this in the same shop. We went there like 3 times because of, basically, we gone there once. There wasn't that much shop for me, but there was a magic shop. Oh, I did scratch cards. And scratch cards. Okay, this is English now. We got the 7 Dragon Balls. Oh, see. Okay, we got a lot in here. Oh. I'm sorry, this is backwards. And this was supposed. Please tell me if these are rare. I've never collected them before. Yeah, Black Goku. I know pretty much who these all are. Wait, is that freezers? Yeah, those are double free. Yeah, so. Sorry, I'm not saying the names. Vegeta. I don't know most of them, but I know some of them. Yeah. Oh, Goku. Okay. Can you see? Right? Is that Vegeta? Yeah, final form. No, not final form. And this one. Oh, God. We've opened a lot. Next, we do this one. It's like mostly relative to this. Next, we're gonna do this one. Okay, I'll save the booster pack for last. Yeah, that one's cool. This one's going to be nice, by the way. This one looks kind of cool. It's very nice. Yeah. And it's true that I think... Ooh, thank you. Ooh, we're starting off with a lovely Vegeta. Bulma. Okay, I don't know. Please comment. Please comment. Please comment. Wait, what's that? Is that Crash of the Strongest? Is that Chi-Chi and Goku?
Oh my god.
Is that Chi-Chi and Goku? Chi-Chi and Goku. I know that's definitely Goku, but it's Chi-Chi.
Yeah, I think it's...
Chi-Chi is saying.
I think it's saying...
Okay. Okay, please comment. Goku got to. Please comment. I can't see the names because they're backwards. By the way, sorry. Familiar. I grew up watching Dragon Ball Z. Oh, that's a... Oh, Android 18. Sorry. Yeah, I've seen him before. Oh! Okay. Next packet, this one. Yeah. Sorry, I only shown you. Astral D. Wait, should we do like a short thing? POV, yeah. That's not it. Next one, this one. Booster pack. Mega Booster 1. How much does this go in it? Put in it?
Separate instruction.
So, ooh, sorry. Ooh, we got Cell. Pilaf. Sorry, I'm gonna start looking at the names now, don't I? Bulma. Announcer. First friend. Piano. Wait, piano.
This is over.
This is over by. Chill. Sorry.
Yeah, Barbie.
Okay.
No.
None. Sorry. Which is a bird. Sorry. Vegeta. We all know him, obviously. Oh, Son Gohan Youth. Hey. We are finally onto the booster packs. Didn't we say, sorry, the booster packs. Didn't we say we're doing this one? Yeah, this one. That one was there and that one was there and we chose that one. So we're doing that one. So please open it. Thank you. My fellow sister. Anyway. She just said something good. Napa. Oh yeah, I've seen him before. We got Majin Buu. Yeah, Majin Buu. Let me see. Oh, Dominant Arena. What's it? Evil itself. The Kulama. Self-destruct. Boo. Wait, sorry. Majin Buu, yeah, Majin Buu, sorry. Thought it was. Split. Spy, sorry. Right, that's round form. That's Majin Buu. Again. Oh, Adam 16. Krillin, yeah. I'm gonna go grab my cards. I dropped them on the floor. I dropped some. I dropped the card on the floor. Oh, okay. Rate all my cards, please. Let's see if they're good. And what pack would you think is my greatest at? Oh yeah, sorry, can you open them, please? Oh, comment down what you're gonna dress up as Halloween below. I'm going as Karate Kid, Daniel Russo. Cobra Kai never dies. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is it good? Is it good? Is it bad?
So good.
Oh
Yeah, these are nice cards.
yeah. Noise. I can't do that noise. Launch. Oh, sorry. Android 19 and Android 20. Sorry, you can't get a close-up look. Sorry, can I just look at this? Son Gohan. Cool, is that like a different one or some Vegeta? Vegetan? Oh. Baba Diti, sorry. Okay, next one. Wait, what? Oh, Hell's Flash, right? Cammy. Oh, wait. Oh, Sayama. Oh. Vegeta, yeah, that's Vegeta. Longest team. Wait. Oh, this was in my book I'm reading. Strongest team up. I've seen this. Android 18, sorry. Piccolo Jr. Yeah, okay. What is it? Alright, comment my cards, and this is how much cards we have opened. Sorry, my hands. Yes. Please subscribe, because I spent like 30 or like £40 on this. Yeah, my dad bought 2, so yeah. Thank you for watching, bye.